Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how you can create the iconic Gibson Hazard zoom effect in Premiere Pro. To start, you'll need a bunch of clips for this effect and they all need to be trimmed to 3 frames each. Here's how to do it. Move your timeline slider to the start of the clip, then hit the right arrow key 3 times to advance 3 frames. Collapse the rest of the clip by dragging the end back to match the slider. Once you have trimmed all your clips to 3 frames, line them up side by side on your timeline like this. Next, go to your effect panel, search for transform and drag it onto the first clip in your sequence. Now head over to effect control and scroll down to transform. Click the stopwatch icon next to scale to create a keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Move your timeline slider to the end of the clip and change the scale value to 200. This creates the zoom in effect. To apply this effect to the other clips, right click on the transform effect in the effect control panel and select copy. Then go to each of the remaining clips, right click and select paste under effect control. This saves your time and ensures consistency across all clips. Let's play it back. You can see the rapid zoom effect seamlessly transitioning between each clip. It's dynamic, bold, and exactly what we are going for. And that's it. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for now. I'll catch you in the next video.